are at least 5 main reasons as to why your wardrobe seems to be dysfunctional. You either like to impulse buy without a wardrobe assessment, you hoard on clothes you don't even wear, your wardrobe lacks a consistent theme, color-wise and style-wise, your wardrobe does not reflect your current style, your wardrobe is lacking key essentials. Today's video is actually going to be the first episode of our How to Style series, where I'll be sharing my ways of curating a functional wardrobe. As a stylist, I always advise my clients that the first step to having a functional wardrobe starts with a thorough wardrobe cleanse. First things first, to do a successful closet cleanse, you gotta ask yourself these 4 questions. 1. Have you worn the item in the past year? 2. Does the item still fit you? 3. Is the item still in good condition? 4. Does the item reflect your current style? If you answered no to all those questions, it's time to say goodbye to whatever piece you're holding on to. I mean, let's face it, your style now does not reflect who you were 2 years ago. And guess what? Your style needs to change accordingly. The way I like to go about this, I like to tackle my wardrobe systematically. From my skirt section, dressy clothes, outerwear, casual section, just so I don't feel too overwhelmed, because this can be a very overwhelming process, trust me. So with all the sections, I'm basically going to be asking myself those 4 questions repeatedly for every item until I go through everything. As you can see, this is everything I was able to pull out from my wardrobe, and now my wardrobe looks less clumpy. In the beginning of the video, I did discuss about the 5 main reasons why your wardrobe is dysfunctional, and here's how to fix that. The first way to avoid hoarding and impulse buying is to use the 1 in 1 out rule. This way you'll just be able to maintain an updated wardrobe all year round. The second tip is to shop for a lot of basic pieces as opposed to trending pieces or statement pieces. This will just add some minimalism to your wardrobe, which means you'll be able to have some versatility, you'll be able to style clothes differently. Lastly, shop smart. Shop for colors that complement other pieces in your wardrobe and those that reflect your current style. I do hope you did enjoy this video, and I hope I did inspire you to go through your closet and do a closet cleanse. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those post notifications so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. As always, stay classy and slay per usual. Peace.